share a secret with you today. I regularly post on my Twitter account and each of my friends keep asking me that how I do this every day without fail. So I've created this amazing automation where every day this workflow runs at 12 p.m. automatically. Gemini generates the post content and we post it on our X account, which is formerly Twitter. And yes, we do this without any manual intervention and without wasting any time. All of this happens in backend, and you know what I do? I just sit back and relax. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also generate and post tweets automatically using Pabbly Connect. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and for that you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can generate and post up to 100 of tweets for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And if you want a heavy discount while purchasing the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, then for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, but I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. Once you're happy with Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. And for that we are over here to help you, and that's the reason we have provided the discount coupon code for the users who want to genuinely purchase Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now this is the workflow builder, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two most important principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as scheduled by Pabbly because I want to schedule this workflow. For the event, select it as scheduled workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So it totally depends upon you how often do you want to run your workflow. I want to run this workflow every day, so I'm going to select every day right over here. Now for the time, I'm just going to keep the time as 12 p.m. every day because I want to run this workflow at 12 p.m. every day. You have to set this date and time according to your own choice and then click on this save. Now you have successfully scheduled this workflow. So now let's move on further. Now using Google Gemini, we are just going to generate the tweet and then we're going to post it on our X account. Alright, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Gemini and you're going to see this Google AI Studio, so select it. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side you have to go to this get API key section. Once you're on this get API key section, you have to click on this create API key button, name your key, choose the project and click on this create key. Your key will be created, then you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting the key, click on the save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating the connection between Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, and Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the text, which is the prompt using which is going to generate the tweet. So I'm just going to enter this prompt as same as I had in this previous workflow. So I'm just going to copy and paste this prompt right over here. If you also want this prompt, I'm just going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out the prompt from there. Now for the model, I'm just going to keep it as same. If you wish, you can definitely change it right from here. For the method, I'm going to select it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is going to generate me the tweet using the same prompt which we have entered. Make sure to mention this line in your prompt, which is the maximum characters should be 280 because above this Twitter doesn't accept the tweets. And you're going to see that we have successfully received this right over here, which we're going to post on our X account, which is formerly Twitter. So to post this, just close over here and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for X, which was formerly Twitter. So I'm just going to search for the same right over here, and as you can see over here is X. Now for the event, select it as create tweet and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between X and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection and then connect with X, which is formerly Twitter. Once we're going to click on this connect with X, which is formerly Twitter, it is asking me for the client ID and the client secret. So to get this, you just have to click on this button which says learn more, because it is saying please read the documentation here to know how to get the client ID and the secret. So just click on this learn more and it is going to open this document where you can see step by step how to get this client ID and client secret. For that, you have to build an app inside developers.twitter.com. So for that, you first have to open your developers.twitter.com, and after you open this app, just click on this sign in. Once you click on the sign in, it is opening the dashboard. So over here, first of all, you have to create app. As you can see in this document, you will see how to create an app. I have already created my app, so I'm just going to directly go towards that from the left hand of the side, this project and apps, and as you can see that this is the app which I have already created. So I'm going to go towards this keys and tokens, and over here is the client ID and the client secret. So one by one, I'm just going to copy both of this and paste it right over here in my workflow. First of all, I'm just going to paste this client ID. Now I'm just going to copy this client secret. For that, I'm just going to click on this generate, and over here is the client secret. So I'm just going to paste this to right over here. After pasting this, I'm going to click on this save, and once I'm going to click on this save, Pabbly is going to move on further and ask me for some permissions. I'll suggest you log in your X account, which is formerly Twitter, before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. Now we just have to click on this authorize app, and once we're going to click on this authorize app, our X account, which is formerly Twitter, is connected with Pabbly Connect. You just have to refer to this document. It is very easy. Alright, now what you have to do is you have to enter the message, which is the tweet. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. So we have to put a slash and we have to map this content which Gemini generated, which was the tweet. Now it is saying code tweet ID and direct message deep link, so both of this is not required. If you wish, you can definitely enter this. After mapping this, just click on this save and send test request, and we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this tweet. Alright, so let's open our X account and we're going to refresh it right from here. Once we're going to refresh this, you're going to see yes, a new tweet has been posted right over here. And yes, not only once but now every day this workflow is going to run, and at 12 p.m. it is going to generate the tweet and post it on my X account, which is formerly Twitter. And if you want, you can definitely change the date and time too. But what happens is that you don't have to post now on Twitter again manually. This is going to increase a lot of engagement on your account, and also everyone will be in shock that how are you so consistent with posting. So tell them the secret too, which I shared with you today, which is this amazing automation. So first of all, go and try this amazing automation for your own X account, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can drop them in the comment section below. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.